In this video we are going to talk about top 15 best places to visit in Italy. So before starting this video, please like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Italy has long been regarded as a special place by tourists and travel experts alike, to the point where it has become a de facto bucket list destination for almost everyone. It's safe to say that Italy's offerings are unrivaled, with incredible food, rich historical sites, highly regarded art, beautiful small towns and equally picturesque cities, countrysides, and coastlines. We've compiled a list of the best places to visit in Italy based on a variety of factors, including cost and seasonality, as well as sites and crowds, to help you decide where to go. 15. Sorrento. Sorrento, the land of the sirens in Greek mythology, continues to entice visitors with its allure and breathtaking views. Before watching the sun set behind the cliffs, visitors can go hiking or relax near the water. Plus, lemons are big in Sorrento, both in terms of size and popularity, and the region is known for producing authentic limoncello, a lemon-flavored liquor. It's also a great starting point for day trips to Capri, the Amalfi Coast, Pompeii, and other popular Italian destinations. 14. Pompeii. This chilling and impressive former Roman city in southern Italy is both chilling and impressive. After being buried in ash following the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79, Pompeii was almost completely preserved. Its remarkably well-preserved ruins now give modern visitors a glimpse into ancient life. A trip to nearby Herculaneum, another city preserved by the same eruption, is recommended for true history buffs, while more adventurous explorers should consider hiking to the top of Mount Vesuvius for breathtaking views. 13. Rimini. Rimini is one of Europe's most popular beach resorts, which is unsurprising given its 9-mile stretch of white sand beaches, vibrant nightlife, and abundance of hotels, bars, and restaurants. In the Italy in Miniature theme park, you can see all of Italy's major monuments in one place, though on a much smaller scale. The Arch of Augustus, one of the oldest surviving Roman arches, and La Grande Ruota Panoramica, a giant Ferris wheel with spectacular city views, are also located in Rimini. 12. Sardinia. The best of both worlds can be found in Sardinia. With its lush beaches and coves overlooking yacht-filled waters, the Costa Smeralda is all about luxury. Away from the Costa Smeralda's glitz and glamour, you'll find a more relaxed side of the island, including small medieval towns where Sardinians still practice sheepherding and dress in traditional garb. Sardinia also has a number of ancient ruins, including the UNESCO World Heritage listed Su Naraxi di Barumini. 11. Bologna. Bologna is home to Europe's oldest university, the University of Bologna. The city's renowned cuisine includes Italian staples like tortellini and lasagna covered in bolognese sauce, making it a food lover's dream. Bologna even has a gelato university and the Fico Italy World, which is dedicated to food. In addition, the city has a number of terracotta-roofed medieval structures, including 2 leaning towers. 10. Puglia. Locals know this rustic region in the heel of Italy's boot as a favorite vacation spot, but tourists are starting to notice. Puglia has it all, including some of the country's best beaches for swimming, an array of restaurants serving fresh Italian fare, and castles, grottos, and forests to explore. The region is also known for its distinctive conical-roofed white trulli houses. 9. Ischia. Ischia is one of Italy's best-kept secrets, often overlooked in favor of the more well-known island of Capri. Ischia is a volcanic island with dozens of thermal springs and spas. Its waters are known for their healing and rejuvenating properties, making it an ideal place to unwind. Visit Giardini La Mortella, a botanical garden with rare and colorful plants, and Castello Aragonese d'Ischia, a medieval castle, when you're ready to go exploring. 8. Naples. It's impossible to think of Italy without thinking of its delectable cuisine. So why not pay a visit to the city where pizza, one of Italy's most popular culinary creations, is said to have originated? Along with its world-renowned cuisine, Naples is home to some incredible art, the majority of which can be found at the Sansevero Chapel Museum and the Naples National Archaeological Museum. Napoli Sotterranea, Naples Underground, is a network of underground tunnels and chambers built by the ancient Greeks and Romans beneath the city. 7. Sicily. Sicily has a mythical quality to it, having been the setting for several ancient Greek legends. Once you've seen it for yourself, you'll understand why this island, which happens to be the largest in the Mediterranean, has inspired so many writers. Sicily's clear blue waters and black sand beaches will enchant you. Mount Etna is Europe's highest active volcano, and you can hike up it in the summer or ski down it in the winter. Save time to visit the various cathedrals and archaeological sites on the island to learn about the many cultures that have called it home. 6. Capri. Due to its beautiful scenery, this small southern Italian island has attracted a slew of famous faces over the centuries, from emperors to movie stars. The Faraglioni rock formations and the Blue Grotto, where sunlight turns the water into an unbelievably vivid shade of blue, are two of Capri's most amazing sights best seen by boat. On land, the gardens of Augustus and Villa Jovis, which was once home to Roman Emperor Tiberius, offer more spectacular views. Visitors will also find high-end shops and restaurants in the town center. 5. Tuscany. Tuscany is the place to go if you want to see Italy without the crowds. The famous Italian countryside is everything it's made out to be, with spectacular landscapes dotted with romantic, secluded villas and castles that house wineries and excellent restaurants. Furthermore, top Tuscan destinations such as Pisa and Siena are just a short drive from Bologna and the Cinque Terre, making them ideal for those who don't want to stay in one place for too long. 4. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre is a collection of 5 colorful seaside towns nestled into the region's cliff-side terrain on Italy's northern Ligurian coast. It may not be as well known for its beaches as the Amalfi Coast, but it still has plenty of fun activities to offer, with boat tours and hiking being the most popular. Keep an eye out for the oceanfront footpath Monterosso hike while you're here. 3. Florence. Florence has the feel of a small town in Italy, despite the fact that it is the polar opposite. Florence, located in the picturesque Tuscan Valley, is lined with charming avenues that lead to picturesque piazzas large and small. Stop by the Piazza del Duomo, where the breathtaking namesake church is located, and the romantic Ponte Vecchio, which overlooks the Arno River, preferably at sunset, while taking in the city's splendor. 2. Amalfi Coast. The journey to the cliffside Amalfi Coast is a long one, but travelers say it's well worth it. The region stretches for more than 24 miles along the coast and is home to 13 vibrant seaside towns, each with its own story to tell. Positano and Amalfi are the most well-known, with a plethora of hotels and restaurants. Hike, relax on the beach, and eat to your heart's content while you're here. There are multiple Michelin-starred restaurants in this region. 1. Rome. Rome is a must-see destination on many European vacation itineraries. The city is a cultural and historical powerhouse with a global reputation. The most important relic of the Roman Empire, the Colosseum, some of Michelangelo's greatest works, the Sistine Chapel, the best food in Italy. Rome has many Michelin-starred restaurants, and, of course, the heart of Catholicism can all be found here, the Vatican. So that's it for today's video. What do you think of our list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification before you go. Thanks for watching.